CCT, Client Connectivity Test, is a tool for troubleshooting network issues that enables administrator to identify and flag any potential network level problems. This test retrieves information on the association status and various connectivity metric values. Here are some scenarios where CCT can be highly beneficial. For example, in a retail store environment, prior to the arrival of customers at 9 a.m., the administrator aims to verify the network connectivity for guest users. Second scenario, within a crowded environment like an office space, the admin has been receiving complaints about connectivity problems from Wi-Fi users. In both situations, the admin previously required someone physically be present on site to conduct the test. However, with CCT, the administrator now has the ability to schedule the test for use case 1 or initiate the test immediately for use case 2. And this is accomplished by utilizing the multi-function radio of a neighboring Arista access point as a Wi-Fi client and then performing a range of tests including captive portal, application, and throughput tests. Let's go to QPortal to configure and run the test. To run CCT, a profile is needed. We'll create a profile, troubleshoot, client connectivity test, add a test profile, select a frequency where the test will be conducted. Admin can choose the available SSID from a drop-down menu. Security mode and portal authentication will be based on original SSID configuration. Applications are categorized into groups based on their types, such as social, communication. We can select any of them. For custom, I'm using Google. Selecting VoIP test as well as Wi-Fi throughput test. Let's save the profile. Once profile is configured, CCT can be scheduled in advance or triggered on an as-needed basis. To schedule the client connectivity test, select the profile, options, and click on the schedule or use the schedule tabs. On the other hand, there are 3 different methods for initiating this test on demand: monitor, Wi-Fi, access point, select an access point, troubleshoot, and run the client connectivity test. Second method, troubleshoot, client connectivity test. From the available profile, run a test. Another way from floor plan, select any AP available on that floor, like this one here, right click, troubleshoot, run the client connectivity test. Let's run the test, troubleshoot, and we'll run the test from here. Select an AP. Once the target AP is selected, it will present the options from the neighboring AP whose third multifunction radio can be used as a wireless client. Here we have only one option. Select that. It will take few minutes for the test to be completed. After the completion of test, the result will be accessible. Let's review the obtained results. As we can see here, various association metrics are provided, such as RSSI, channel number, channel utilization, SSID, association status, authentication status, DHCP status including the IP address, gateway DNS information received by the client, reachability of the gateway, reachability of the DNS along with the latency. For the WAN latency, we use the google.com, application test. To test the application experience, an HTTP GET request will be sent to the remote host, and if it is successful, the HTTP response will be recorded with some details like DNS name lookup time, initial connection time, SSL connection time, and total page loading time in second. You can see the custom, productivity, or wherever we selected the application. For VoIP test, the VoIP server is located on the target AP while the VoIP client is located on client AP. The open source library is used to initiate the call from the multifunction radio of the client AP. The mouse score for the VoIP call is determined based on the RTT delay, jitter, and packet loss. Throughput test. The Wi-Fi throughput test is designed to determine the maximum wireless throughput and uses the iPerf tool to obtain throughput results. It checks the download and upload speeds for both UDP and TCP traffic. The iPerf server runs on the target AP while the iPerf client runs on the multifunction radio. For more information, please use this link. Thank you.